Credit doesn't have to be confusing, overwhelming, or risky. Here at Captain Budgeteer, we know that when credit is used correctly, it can become one of the most powerful tools for building your financial future. Today, we're going to break down a simple, proven method that keeps you in control, eliminates overspending, and helps you build excellent credit without stress. Want to master credit and build a strong financial future? It's easier than you think. Forget complicated rules and financial jargon. Today, I'm sharing Captain Budgeteer's belief in a simple yet powerful method called the 3-bucket system. Whether you're just starting out or want to improve your habits, this system will help you build an excellent credit score and steer clear of debt for good. First, let's get the basics right. A credit card isn't just plastic money. It's a short-term loan from a bank. You swipe, you borrow, you promise to pay it back. When you use it wisely, it's a fantastic tool for building a positive credit history. But if you're careless, it can create financial problems that last for years. Your first step is to get the right card. Look for secured cards, student cards, or beginner cards with no annual fee. Your only goal right now is to get approved and start using it responsibly. Now, let's talk about the 3-bucket system. It's a simple way to categorize every single purchase you make. This keeps your spending safe, simple, and effective. Bucket number 1 is for necessities you already budget for. Think about your regular expenses, groceries, gas, your phone bill, or even your streaming subscriptions. You were going to pay for these things anyway, right? By putting them on your credit card, you're building credit without spending a single extra dollar. The rule is simple. Use your card for these predictable costs, and then pay off the entire balance as soon as you get your paycheck. Next up is bucket number 2. This is for planned, larger purchases that you've already saved up for. Maybe it's a new laptop for work, an unexpected car repair, or a well-deserved vacation. You have the cash ready to go, but using your card gives you extra perks, like purchase protection or extended warranties. The golden rule for bucket 2 is non-negotiable. Never swipe for anything you can't pay for in cash. Right here, right now. And finally, we have bucket number 3. This is the most important bucket of all because it protects you from dangerous spending habits. This bucket is for purchases you should never, ever put on a credit card. I'm talking about impulse buys. Emotional spending when you're having a bad day, or that expensive gadget you hope you'll figure out how to pay for later. If a purchase doesn't fit into bucket 1 or bucket 2, it belongs here. And bucket 3 is always cash only. This one habit alone can save you from thousands of dollars in high-interest debt. With the 3-bucket system in place, let's talk about maintaining a healthy credit score. First, always pay on time. Your payment history is the single biggest factor in your score. Set up reminders or autopay to make sure you never miss a due date. Second, keep your credit utilization low. This is the percentage of your available credit that you're using. Aim to keep it under 10%. A lower number tells lenders you're a responsible borrower. Also, try to keep your oldest credit accounts open, as a long credit history is a good thing. And finally, apply for new credit sparingly and check your score regularly with free tools like Credit Karma or your banking app. To really get this right, you need to understand 2 key dates: the statement date and the due date. Your statement date is when your balance for the month is finalized and reported to the credit bureaus. The due date is when your payment is actually due. Always pay on or before the due date and pay the full statement balance whenever possible to avoid interest. A great pro tip is to set up autopay for at least the minimum payment. That's your safety net. Then, go in and manually pay the rest. This keeps you engaged and in full control of your finances. So, why go through all this trouble? Because a high credit score opens up a world of financial opportunities. It means lower interest rates on car loans and mortgages, easier approval for apartments, and even better insurance rates. You'll get access to premium credit cards with amazing rewards. And you'll save a fortune in security deposits and interest costs over your lifetime. A great credit score isn't just about saving money, it's about having options and freedom. By using the 3-bucket system and managing your credit with discipline, you are building a foundation for long-term financial stability. Smart credit habits today lead to real opportunities tomorrow. It takes consistency and patience, but trust me, you can get there. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on building a better financial future. See you next time.